Welcome back to Crypto for News, the only YouTube channel dedicated to news for news by new. It's me, your host, Shad. Newbies, Facebook has seen its first decline in users, reportedly for the first time ever. It was news to me. I was going through Reddit, scrolling through Reddit like I normally do, trying to keep up on the news and the info, not just the crypto, but of the world, because, things in the real world do affect crypto. And I came across this Reddit post that said Facebook users, the one you see right here, Facebook sees daily users fall for the first time ever. Now, this was just posted six hours ago. That speaks a lot of volume. Remember, Facebook's been around since, I think, 2009, 2010 is when they rolled out. Maybe 2008, somewhere around. I forget exactly when. But since then, they've always had a steady incline. But now, they're declining in users. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Before we begin, well, we've already begun, but I need you to go ahead and hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. You know we're already commenting. And so I looked around on Reddit to see if I could find any more, and of course I did. And I came across another post that said Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse business lost more than 10 billion last year, and the losses keep growing. And I had dug into it, and it was just for quarter four. I believe 2021 quarter four is when they lost that 10 billion. It wasn't like over the whole year. Net loss 10.19 billion, 2.20 billion. I'm trying to see, where did I see that? It said quarter four somewhere. There's a lot of posts on Reddit. But they lost 10 billion last year. And remember, they didn't change their name to Meta until I think about the third quarter of 2021. So that tells you how quickly that loss amassed. Also, let me see, what else did I find on Facebook? There's a lot going on with Facebook. Where is it? I had it all pulled up so we wouldn't have to scroll through it. It was something else. Active daily user fall for the first time in 18-year history. Okay, that's not it. Is it this one? Where is it? There was something else that was going on with Facebook. And Mark Zuckerberg risks losing 34 billion in a day after Meta shocker. There it is. Mark Zuckerberg can see a 24 billion erased from his personal fortune on Thursday, among the biggest one-day drops ever after Meta's platform. Here it is. Meta platform's fourth quarter earnings missed estimates. That's where I saw it at. Now remember, you guys, crypto sometimes closely follows the tech market in stocks. So if techs are down, if the tech market is down, then crypto could be down as well too. I haven't checked any of crypto yet because it was all just doing reversals, trend reversals, and sometimes it can be a little disheartening. I had a lot going on, so I'll have to check it again. But this could lead to some losses because people are investing in the metaverse, and if he's losing, and if the metaverse is losing, and people that are investing in the and what do you think is going to happen to people that are investing in the metaverse? Like all these games that's going to be in the metaverse. Not exactly sure how they lost. Let's see if we can scroll. Let's see if we can catch a little something. No. When they both climb, should that now move? That's not really saying anything. Meta, which on Facebook reported no growth in monthly Facebook users in the fourth quarter relative to the prior period, raising questions about the company's future. Meta share price was down more than 20% after trading hours on Wall Street after the earnings update. So yeah, that's going to hurt. And remember, Bitcoin closely follows the stock market period, and altcoins closely follow Bitcoin, and then they can some altcoins all closely follow the tech stock market. So this could potentially be a negative catalyst, but it just happens. This is business. This is the price of doing business. And remember, y'all, this is crypto. So it happens even in the stock markets. You can look; it could be a bear market. Like it happens in stock market too. So don't think it's just limited to and exclusive to just crypto, because stock markets, they can see gains wiped out as well too. One bad report back in, I think, 2014, Volkswagen, they doctored up their reports for their diesel engines, and they got hit, and they took a massive loss on that. Massive loss, earnings loss. Kia, they just took a massive loss. Something about their steering wheel, something that they was defect. They took it. So it happens everywhere, y'all. And unfortunately, what happens in the stock market can usually follows by crypto. People sell off, do whatever the case may be, but it's okay. Just hodl, hold strong. We'll weather the storm. You only lose if you sell. All right, so if you're seeing any drops today, it could be closely related to the earnings report coming in on Wall Street and Zuckerberg and Meta severely missing out on the Q4 earnings. So that's how the cookie crumbles. But don't be disheartened. I'm pretty sure they'll have something to make up for it. They usually do. They haven't been in the game this long not to have something up their sleeve. All right, so I appreciate you dropping by. I hope this has been educational, informational. Remember, you only lose if you sell. All right, Crypto for Noobs, out.